Whenever you think about great individuals who started from very humble beginnings, tasted failure more than 100 times, and at last achieved astonishing success in their lives, who comes to your mind first? Yes, the first name that comes to my mind is a renowned personality, but to know this legendary man's name, please watch the video till the end. He was born into a very poor family, and many a time he even struggled for meals. His parents were constantly changing places to find suitable livelihood. His family was so poor that he had to deliver 1300 newspapers a day with his brother. Then his father would take away all the money and used to humiliate them without any reason. His brothers went away because they were fed up with their father's behavior and hardships at home. At school, he was rather inattentive. His teachers would often catch him daydreaming or doodling pictures of animals and nature. He used to draw cartoons in his nearby salon, for which the barber offered him free haircuts and money. And he used to frame this boy's drawings on his wall, which drew a lot of appreciation from his customers. This recognition spiked the will of this little boy. At the age of 19, he started an animation company, his lifelong dream. He failed to sell a single cartoon and his company went bankrupt. Most people won't even put 100 attempts towards their dream, but he let alone fail 300 times. Once he said, "All the adversity I have had in my life, all my troubles and obstacles have strengthened me." Later, he became a successful entrepreneur, best animator, voice actor, and talented film producer. He was also a pioneer of the American animation industry. He started an animation studio in an old garage. He spent the next 5 years of his life working with no income. He finally found success with a short film but lost the copyright to his own characters. He was crushed. He had nowhere to live and little money for food. He tried again with a new character, but the audience was not impressed with his film. Still, he never gave up and made the second film, but he could not find a distributor. Finally, he found success on his third attempt. His character, Mickey Mouse, became a hit. The movie Snow White and Seven Dwarfs was considered a masterpiece. It made $134 million, equivalent to today. The movie was the most successful film in 1938. I think you all have understood whom I am talking about here. He is the only one, Walt Disney, who always loved to say, "If you can dream it, you can do it." Following the success, he started working on different characters of Donald Duck, Mickey Mouse, Goofy, and Pluto cartoon series. He opened Walt Disney Studios in Burbank in 1939. In 1955, he opened the Disneyland theme park, which is famous all over the world. Walt Disney was nominated for 59 times and won 22 Academy Awards in his life. Both numbers are a record even today. He received 7 Emmy Awards for his great work. The credit for the golden age of animation goes to his hard work and creativity. In 1966, he left this world because of lung cancer. But he gave the gift of entertainment to the children of all over the world. He proved that the difference between winning and losing is most often not quitting. After falling down, he got up with a lot more energy because of his passion, patience, and hard work. He believed in his dream unquestionably and worked hard for the same. To quote Walt Disney, "All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them." Thank you. For more such inspirational stories, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, The Lipopedia. Thank you.